Hello viewers, let's customize or assign easy short key in place of different combination used in CapCut video editing software. Now shortcut is open and video is on its timeline, so go up and click this shortcuts button and another interface will appear. This is timeline shortkeys, it's for player, then this is basic and others. So let me go to timeline and the first key for split is ctrl B. Let me click inside, change ctrl B with A. So click continue editing and now this A key is already existing, so click overwrite. But now A from select mode would vanish because I assign A as a shortcut against split. So click reset button to bring it back to the default short keys. And now you can see that it's by default. So let me click this again and now let me click 1, numeric 1, click save. That overwrite message doesn't appear, and now when I click 1, so it cuts the video in middle. If I click W, so video at rear end would be deleted, and if I click Q, so video will be cut from the front side. Now anytime if I would like to bring it back to the default key settings, so I'll click reset. Thanks for watching.